I'm a dietitian that's helped a lot of families learn how to incorporate real food into their tube feeding routine. And over the years, I have learned a ton of tips and tricks, like using this Bolee Bag and pre-made commercial blend products. The Bolee Bag is used to deliver nutrition products like keto peptide. It can be used as a reusable feeding pouch to store the meals and really simplifies the blended diet meal prep. If you're not familiar with keto peptide, it's made from whole organic plant-based foods. When you consume it as packaged, it's a 2.43 to 1 ketogenic ratio. It's meant for adults or for children and provides a variety of nutrition, but it's not meant to be the sole source of nutrition. Some families are instructed to add other whole food ingredients to create a 24-hour recipe that's either higher or lower than the 2.43 to 1 ketogenic ratio that keto peptide naturally comes in. If that's the case for you, using Bolee bags is going to make storing and feeding that recipe so much more convenient. And I'm going to show you how easy this is with the sample recipe. Be sure to follow the recipe prescribed to you by your doctor, but you're going to start by pouring in the keto peptide into the blender. For my recipe, we're using a full pouch. Then you're going to measure out your other ingredients. For this recipe, we're using avocado and olive oil. This is going to create a 3.4 to 1 ketogenic ratio. Then you're going to blend on low speed for about 30 seconds until it's emulsified. It's better to blend on low speed than high speed for this because it's going to get really frothy otherwise. After it's blended, I'm adding room temperature water to get to my desired volume of 1125 mLs. You'll want to stir this well, or you can reblend it again on low speed to get it to mix together. And once it's all blended together, you can divide into your individual meals and pour into your Bolee bags. For my recipe, this creates 3 meals of 375 mLs each. Then just store the Bolee bag in the refrigerator until mealtime. Just remember you're going to have to run the Bolee bag under warm water to get this back to room temperature, and you'll likely notice a separation, so you're going to need to give it a shake to mix it back up. To feed the meal, you have a couple options with the Bolee bag. You can do gravity feedings, or you can actually use this bag to fill syringes mess-free, and I'll show you that in a second, but we'll do gravity feeds first. So your steps you're going to take is to remove this white cap first and attach the large Bolink cap. Make sure that this clamp is closed when you're doing that. Then you're going to unclamp the large Bolink cap and fill the tubing. Then clamp this again. Next, you're going to attach this piece to your extension tubing. Now, this piece can also be attached to peg tubes or to infant adapters, but I'm going to show you the extension. Once it's connected, all you need to do is raise the Bolee bag to let the nutrition flow. If you want it to flow a little faster, just apply steady pressure to the bag by gently squeezing it slowly or rolling the bag. If you prefer to syringe feed, let me show you how the Bolee bag works to fill an infant syringe mess-free with an infant transfer lid. So all you're going to do is screw on the infant transfer lid. This piece connects to the infant syringe. Make sure you put it on tight to avoid those messes. And then you can fill your infant syringe mess-free. Then you're just going to tube feed like normal, disconnecting the syringe, connected to your extension tubing. This has made traveling and feeding on the go so much easier for so many families I've worked with. If you don't use all your formula for one meal, or you just like to pre-fill your Bolee bags and store them for later, just close it with the white cap. The Bolee bags be kept in the freezer. They're safe for the refrigerator, safe for warm water, but you can't put them in the microwave. And of course, these bags are reusable, so you're going to need to clean them with warm soapy water between uses. You can find the full directions on the back of the Bolee bag. I really hope this helps simplify your blended diet meal prep and makes tube eating at home so much easier for you.